Day 13 in the John Westwood Hill house, and John has been opening up presents for 13 days, and we have Unlucky for Some number 13. So if you want to see what's inside this box, keep on watching. Hi everybody, my name is John of JWH Millinery and welcome back to my channel. This month we're uploading every day with a Millinery Advent Calendar, and we have boxes of millinery supplies. On the screen now you'll be able to see exactly what we've got so far, but let's see what we have inside this box. Ooh. So in this box we have just the one item, but it is this striped pattern goose quill feather with a, this is really pretty. I wonder what we could use this for. Who knows, but that's good. That's a very, it's interesting, very interesting indeed. But so this is from Petershams, and yeah, we'll be using this in a piece in January. So I'll put that with everything else we've got so far. And today's question of the day comes from Edu Bruno 95. I've said that wrong. I've completely said that wrong, so I apologise profusely. But they ask, what is the most important thing in the millinery world? What is the most important thing in the millinery world? I would probably say individuality. Individuality. How do I say individuality?
Here's what I found on the web for how do I say individuality.
Individuality. Definitely that. That's probably the, like, I've said this before and I'll say it again. There are only so many blocks available. There are only so many styles available. There are only so many ideas available. There's going to be a point where there's only so much materials available. So at some point there's going to be a crossover, but it's more to like somebody else has done, but it's more than just that. It's putting your take on it. So I would definitely say individuality would be the number one most important thing in the millinery world. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you've got to say about that, and you tell me what you think is the most important thing in the millinery world. So we're officially at the halfway point. We've got a lot of things. I'm very excited. I don't know how I'm going to put some of this together, but yes, we are going to do it, and we're gonna have fun. So thanks for joining me so far. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. It's all listed in the description box below. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel. It means a lot to me when you guys do subscribe. And if you are already subscribed to this channel, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. In the month of December, we are uploading at 8 AM UK time every day. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow.